in the labor, they earn massive profits while also the labor to the labor to complete lighting. They earn massive profits while outsourcing the labor.
Ayan.
Agree partner. This shows that the rule of the company is superfluous that is automation that is very important. This shows corporation benefits more in poor countries. This
Alright.
some structures
In
Hi,
both comparing countries,
Bahamas.
United States
I am here in Azuela
gain,
Cove,
gain
and
more
we
power,
do practicing
wealth,
for
and
our midterm
technological
performance
advancement.
task in contemporary world.
Meanwhile,
Goodbye.
dependent and vulnerable.
Ah.
Sige daw. Pilig pa na sa kanang gesture. In both
Around.
comparing countries, United States advancement. Meanwhile, the Philippines experiences economic growth.
This condition
But sad to say, the economic growth, but sad to say, it remains dependent.
meanwhile
In both comparing countries,
Didi ko na taka-video.
this condition sometimes harm public services and increase poverty. Some structures can affect some structures affect the economy and political. For example,
Aldrich,
the IMF
Hazel,
and the worldwide
Kian, and Lady Shane. And
This
me.
condition sometimes harm public services and
Napan lang.
this condition sometimes
I-share lang nako ako ang experience kahapon sa tree planting. It was really a great experience and first time na ko madto sa Lasang Bukana nga stang layo but I'm so thankful nga well done nga mo ang tree planting. And I'm now here with my friends, Hazel. Grabe kayo siya memorize guys. Tara siya guys, oh, grabe kayo siya memorize. Ay, nako.
this condition sometimes
Kami ron sa
harm
Azuela
public
Cove
services
practice.
and poverty. Some structure affected economic and public. Some
Laban
structure
lang first year. Taran. Sila. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. So this year is 2026 and I'm just really hoping for a good future ahead. 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030. Lady Shane, my friend, seems so busy here.
usap din.
Laban lang para sa midterm.
For the core countries, multinational corporations. Yung mga sa manok rin nag-ait. Ano kalimot man?
Ano dyan na day? Laban lang na this. Kasi adlaw ron. January... Sa takaroon din,
January 18.
January 18, 2026.
Og mo ipasa, di ba?
Yes, tomorrow ang deadline. Ah, dili, karon 11:59 karong kuano na. Ala, sorry. Sorry, day. Laban lang, Hazel.
This condition sometimes harm public services and increase poverty. Some structures affected economic and political. For example, the IMF loans and the World
Tapos
Bank.
eh.
Bis, sabon na to tong paano to, bis.